The first thing you need to do is gather all of the important information and get it put into here. RightCapital allows me to quickly and easily input income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and savings goals. You can put credit cards in here. You can automatically, our clients' accounts automatically sync up and link in here every day, so you've got to see exactly what it is. And you can also link your outside bank accounts, your 401k, and it'll all update automatically. You can put in your property, you can even put insurance policies, loans, and pretty much anything in here. It does a great job, and compared to a lot of the other aggregators that are out there, it's much better, and it's a complementary benefit to clients of ours. So yeah, you can link all your accounts and it'll automatically update with the latest values and keeps us on track with real-time data. One of the most important concerns people have is how long their savings might last in retirement. The retirement analysis tool that RightCapital has can illustrate different scenarios for all different type of retirement ages, spending habits, investment strategies. For instance, if you're thinking about retiring earlier or later, RightCapital can help us provide insights on how those choices might affect your future. And so it's really easy to make changes. So let's say we want to retire a little later, take a little bit more income, and then see how that affects the plan in real time. We can sit down and make these decisions. If managing withdrawals is a priority, we can explore strategies that align with your retirement goals to support your savings over time. One of the standout features that this has to offer is the Social Security analysis. It's an important part of most retirees' sustenance in retirement, and this software creates a lot of great ways to make sure you're doing the best with it. And an additional benefit that we usually do for our clients is we'll do a Social Security analysis, and they provide like a 12-page report that we can go through and look at all the different things. If you were married in the past, or if there's an opportunity with an ex-spouse, or if you just want to see what the break-even point is. If you have a good idea of how long you might live, we can find the optimal age to file for Social Security. RightCapital analyzes your financial situation and provides guidance on different claiming strategies, showing you the long-term effects of different options. One of the most important elements of retirement planning, of course, is risk, and it's different for everybody, but we do know that markets fluctuate, inflation rises and falls, and these changes can certainly affect your long-term plan. So it's got a great stress test feature here, and we can look at different scenarios like a protracted drop in the market. We can look at if taxes go up. We can look at if Social Security goes down, if you live longer than you expected, and we can change exactly what these things are and see just how it would affect your personal plan. And this can really help us make sure we're prepared for any economic environment that's out there. So one thing that I'm sure you're excited to hear about is taxes. Never seems to go away, but everyone needs to plan for it, right? You can't avoid it completely. With RightCapital's tax planning tools, we can model tax saving strategies like Roth conversions, and we can see how they'll reduce your tax liability over time. For many clients, making strategic Roth conversions can make a significant difference in retirement, lowering their taxes on their withdrawals and preserving more of their wealth. You can even see what your tax returns will look like way out into the future with inflation and what your deductions will be, and you can see where your withdrawals will come from. Typically, you want to take from your taxable assets first and defer tax, but every situation is a little bit different. So beyond taxes and beyond retirement, the tool also has some great features for someone who might be interested in budgeting and cash flow management. So like some of the other competitors out there, you're able to link up your credit cards or whatever you use for spending, and you can categorize it and see where your money's going every month, which is great. And once you select the proper category, it stays like that. I've used some of the other ones, and you have to keep putting it back into the right category. But this works pretty smooth for the most part, and you can find out where your money's going every month, and that's the first step to saving. RightCapital helps assess whether your future cash flow will be sufficient to cover your financial goals. And if you're thinking about planning for your legacy and estate planning, we've got a nice checklist here to make sure that we've covered all our bases with these critical documents. And if you're thinking about trusts, wills, or charitable donations, we've got a way to analyze that as well. One of the reasons that clients really love RightCapital is the mobile access it provides. Back in the day, we used to do these huge financial plans and we'd spend hours on it and we'd create this massive binder and the client just throws it in the back seat of their car and it's kind of overwhelming. No one wants to really deal with having to do homework, right? But with RightCapital, it's great because it's more of a collaborative framework. We send you a link and you can log into your account and you can make changes to it as well. And when we meet to review your portfolio, we'll just pull it up and see if anything's changed, and it's right there in real time, and it's just not as daunting as that huge paper document used to be. You can get access to all your information anytime through the client portal or the mobile app. This keeps you engaged and allows you to collaborate in real time. In summary, I'd say RightCapital gives us the ability to provide personalized, detailed financial plans that are easy to understand and actionable. Whether you're planning for retirement, managing taxes, or just trying to get a clear picture of your financial future, RightCapital makes it all very possible. So if you're ready to explore RightCapital and support your financial planning, I encourage you to schedule a strategy call with me, and together we can discuss your financial goals and outline a customized plan to work towards achieving them. Simply click on the link in the description below and arrange your free consultation with me. I look forward to helping you out and pursuing your financial future. Have a great day.